Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro alongside the S26 on February 25th. And this time, nothing is under wraps. I've got real-life images, official renders, confirmed features, and pricing details ready to go. If you've been waiting to see what Samsung changed, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it. First up, your exclusive real-world look at the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. These images come directly from my source and were sent to Z-Tech. What you're seeing are one-to-one dummy units, the exact replicas Samsung distributes to retail stores. These aren't third-party mock-ups. They're made by Samsung, non-functional but visually identical. The overall direction sticks with a STEM-style design, but the ergonomics have clearly shifted. The shape feels different. It's the kind of design that instantly divides opinion. You'll either appreciate it right away or question the direction entirely. There's really no in-between. And that reaction starts with the case. The case design, personally, feels refined and more cohesive. The earbuds themselves? I'm reserving final judgment until I handle them in person. Render images only tell part of the story. Fit and feel will ultimately decide whether this redesign works, and Samsung made some noticeable changes here. Looking at the official images of both the Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro, one thing stands out immediately. The previous blade design language is gone. In its place is a flatter stem with a brushed metal finish. You'll spot microphone grilles at both the top and bottom for improved voice capture. The earbuds now rest horizontally inside a charging case with a transparent lid. That means you can see the buds without even opening it. Visually, it's a departure from previous generations, and Samsung appears to have addressed a specific issue users kept running into last year. With the Buds 3 Pro, orientation inside the case became a common frustration. People often place them incorrectly. On the Buds 4 Pro, they still face outward, but the flatter stems should make incorrect placement less likely. It's a subtle adjustment, but potentially a practical one. Here's where things get interesting. Earlier official renders hinted at a speaker grille built into the case, suggesting you could ring it if lost. But these real-life dummy units show no speaker, no visible grille. If Samsung removed that feature, it's a quiet change and a noticeable one. Inside the box, you'll get the earbuds, the charging case, a USB-C cable, and 3 sizes of silicone ear tips for the Pro model. The standard Buds 4 follow an open design, so they don't include silicone tips. Now let's talk battery, because there are measurable shifts here. The Buds 4 Pro carry a 57 mAh battery per earbud, an increase of 4 mAh over the previous generation. The charging case climbs to 530 mAh, up from 15 mAh. While 4 mAh sounds minor, combined capacity raises total playback to 26 hours with the case, 2 hours more than before. Interestingly, the regular Buds 4 actually lose 6 mAh compared to the Buds 3. That's an unusual move, and there's no official explanation behind it yet. On the Pro side, however, improvements go beyond battery numbers, especially where sound and durability are concerned. Active Noise Cancellation has been enhanced, and Samsung is introducing bidirectional drivers for a more immersive audio profile. Durability also sees an upgrade. The rating jumps from IP55 to IP57, meaning the Buds 4 Pro can now survive submersion in up to 1 meter of water for around 30 minutes. Feature additions continue with a new physical gesture for interpreter mode. Pinch and hold both stems and it launches. No need to manually activate it on your phone first like before. Head gestures are also here. Nod to accept calls, shake to decline, manage alerts, and interact with the AI assistant. Pricing in Germany matches the Buds 3 lineup with no increases seen so far, including in the US. Official launch is February 25th at Unpacked, and if you want to see what Samsung changed on the S26 Ultra, the full breakdown is waiting for you.